Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a webcam not showing up in OBS. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to completely close OBS and then try to open up a OBS as administrator. Just right click on it and run as admin and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, what I suggest to do here next is to go to help here and look if there is no updates here. Just press check for updates, and if there is an update, install it. Another thing that I suggest to do here is to on search you just need to look for manage camera or camera, manage cameras, as you can see here, and then make sure your camera is enabled. So as you can see here, for my camera access is turned off, so you just need to press camera privacy settings, make sure camera access is on, and make sure OBS is here, right? And look, after you enable camera, look if the problem persists or not. The next thing, what you can do here with your mouse, just drag on the corners here and look if there is no hidden camera here. Sometimes it can mess up and it can be under this black screen, right? So look if there is no camera here. And the last thing, what you can do here, you can simply go to video capture device and delete it. And then what you need to do here is to add it here. Look if it's working or not, and add it. And if this do not work, the last thing that I suggest to do here is to restart your computer and reinstall OBS. But nevertheless, these methods should work. So yeah, that's it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.